Now we're going to go to the initial setup of the components that come with the machine. This is a closed loop rinse system. I'll explain that later. You want to make sure that you leave plenty of room behind the machine because this is a service area. You're going to have to service this for cleaning out the tank, and you'll end up at some point working on the back of the machine for service as well. Once you have the settling tank in place underneath the pinch valve, you can put the removable tray on this end of the settling tank and the roll of filter paper. And that's fed underneath a rod here, which will advance across here. But you want to be sure that when you put this tray onto the settling tank, look for the Vixen logo here and the perforations that are underneath the pinch valve. That's a proper placement of this. Now that we have the settling tank in place, we can begin to connect the utilities, and it's really straightforward. I'm at the right leg if you were at the front of the machine, and you'll see the pressure regulator and the gauge there. So you simply connect your compressed air right here. You want to make sure that you're able to supply at least 20 CFM at 90 PSI, and better is 30 CFM at 90 PSI. So if you're running a new compressed air line, make sure that it's large enough for the long run that you make from your compressor. We don't want to lose air in restrictions here before we feed to the gun.